Hello everyone, welcome to the Chomp Kid TV on YouTube. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Today we are going to have our pronunciation. Let's start with our word here. Repeat after me. J as in jar. J as in jar. Jewels. Jewels. Fiji. Fiji. Juice. Juice. Jump. Jump. Journal. Journal. Jungle. Jungle. Now let's have our phrase drill. J as in jar. Mason jar. Mason jar. Blue jeans. Blue jeans. Rain jacket. Rain jacket. Strong jaw. Strong jaw. Fighter jet. Fighter jet. Are you ready for a tongue twister? Let's do this! Joyful Jane eats jelly. Joyful Jane eats jiggly jello and jelly beans with Jimmy Jones. Joyful Jane eats jiggly jello and jelly beans with Jimmy Jones. Faster! Joyful Jane eats jiggly jello and jelly beans with Jimmy Jones. Good job! Now let's have our sight words. Repeat after me. Sit. Foot. Witch. Witch. Read. Read. Why. Why. Found. Found. Bravo, everyone! Thank you!